Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX, and in this video I'll try the Claude Code for the first time. So yesterday I just bought this pro plan from Claude for my personal project, that is Salesforce Debugger all-in-one. This is a Chrome extension that is really helpful for Salesforce developer. As you have seen in my LinkedIn or Instagram posts that how you can use this extension. So if you know any Salesforce developer, please share with them. And I am working on new features, new updates, new bug solving and all those stuff. So I bought Claude Pro to help me out because there is a huge code base. So yeah, let's leave that. And for the first time I'll try Claude Code. So I have heard about it, but for the first time I'll try it. So I opened this page from Anthropic. This is a documentation of Claude Code. In this overview, the first step is you have to install the Anthropic AI Claude Code, this module, in your terminal. So for that you have to use npm install. So if you don't have Node.js in your laptop, you can just search Node.js and you can install from here. So now the Node.js is installed. It's already installed in my laptop. So I'll just copy this command, open my terminal and run it. And it's done. It's so fast. So next step, you have to navigate to your project, start the coding. Okay, so next step is nothing. You just have to go inside your project, whatever project you are working on, and you have to write Claude in your terminal. So I have this dummy Chrome extension installed here. You can see this just says hello in the pop-up, and when I open a new tab, it just opens a React template. So this is the code of that. It's open in the VS Code. I'll just open the terminal here. So according to the docs, I just have to write Claude inside here in the terminal and enter. And yeah, welcome to Claude Code. It's saying, okay, I have to choose. So I'll just enter the default. Welcome to Claude Code. It gives you a nice UI. Claude account with subscription, Anthropic. Okay, you can use also the API of Claude. So I'm just gonna use this Claude account because I have the subscription. I'll copy this link and I have Claude logged in with this account, so I'll just paste it here. It should, yeah, authorize. You are all set up. I should see, yeah, login successful. Press any key to continue. Okay, yes, use recommended settings. I'll explore it later on. Run terminal setup. Okay, try to do. Okay, I guess this is done. So there are many things I've seen in the docs, so I'll maybe explore it later on. This is my first time using Claude Code, so I'll just go with the starting, like the quick start. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write a prompt that will convert that new tab page. This will be converted into a tic-tac-toe game. Let's see if it's possible. Convert my new tab page. That's it. I didn't mention where is the new tab page or whatever change you have to do. I just write in a single one-liner prompt, convert my new tab page into a modern UI tic-tac-toe game. Okay, so I'm just pressing enter. Let's see what it does. It created a updated to-do. It created a to-do list with a checkbox. Explore current extension. Okay, step by step it will process with according to the checkboxes. Explore current extension out. Okay, it already found the new tab page. As you can see, SSC pages, new tab, CSS and TSX. Great, I see you. Okay, it already found the context and it already got inside my folder. Let's minimize this. I think now it will try to make changes in my files. Let's see. You can see the time spent and the token usage here, and you have to press escape to interrupt. I'll not interrupt. Let's see what it does. Okay, now it's giving me some suggestions. I'll just not review right now, but I'll recommend you to review the code when you're actually using in your confidential or some sensible project. I'll just press yes here. It made the changes. It's showing in the terminal what changes it made. And next is pop-up Okay, it's showing. Okay, I'll just accept. Let's see the end result. Yes. 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 And yes. Let's see how well it does with just one line of prompt. This is exciting. Yes, it's giving me CSS changes. Let me, okay. The last step, test the game functionality. I don't know how it will test. Okay, npm run build. I didn't have to even write the npm command. It is writing npm run dev. Okay. Basically, I just wrote one line of prompt and it's doing everything on its own. Also completed. Now it's let me stop the server and mark final task as complete. Okay, it automatically tested on its own. I didn't even test. So maybe after it's done its thing, then I'll test. Okay. It's saying it's everything is done. Load. Even it's saying how to load it in my browser. So it's already loaded. I don't know if it's updated the code or not, or I have to again run it. Let me just refresh this new tab page and see. Okay. You can see this is one cool looking tic-tac-toe game. This is showing the X, this is showing the draws, and this is showing the wins, like team X, team O, and I'll play X. Then there will be another player that will play this. My god. Bro, this is just amazing. This is amazing. The UI is so cool. This is modern. It's so much good looking. I'm speechless. So this is really great. Okay, so this is my first time using Claude Code in my terminal and with my files, and this is just so cool. Like next what I'll do, I'll explore these features on, and if I find anything cool, I'll let you know with the video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.